Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to allow camera access on Telegram in iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Telegram app, tap on someone, person, okay, then channel, tap on this option, then no camera, okay, access, then back, tap on settings, scroll down, click on apps, choose this Telegram app, okay, tap on Telegram app, okay. After that tap on camera option, this disable, just click. This app is enable this access in camera. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.